And here we have MUCKANDFUN's new electric mountain bike. Our first one in to Ireland, just arrived. Just being built. Very high spec bike. All top of the range components, Kenda tires, electric power. Makes life fun, makes it easier. Available at MUCKANDFUN in Wicklow. Just a little walk around to give you a feel for the bike. Need any more info, just let us know. Your LCD dashboard. Nice LED lights. Stunning machine. Just a little walk around of MUCKANDFUN's new electric mountain bike. Limited availability, not too many of them. But we do have our first batch in Ireland, just in for building and testing. So, new electric mountain bike and MUCKANDFUN in Wicklow.